Alrighto, New Year's Day 2020, a beautiful day here in Edmonton, and such a great day that I've decided to take on traditional Texas chili, which is very meat orientated. So I'm just using basically top sirloin type beef, and I couldn't find the right dry chilies, unfortunately, because the local Italian store was closed. But I'm going to go with the Anaheim pepper, 2 jalapenos, a bell pepper, and standard chili powder. A couple of onions. I'm going to throw 3 to 4 cloves of garlic in there. Cinnamon stick gets tossed in. We started off as usual cooking up some bacon. And we're going to use some beef broth. And oh, what's this? Well, I think I'll be starting off with one of those just to get the ball rolling here. And we'll see how all this goes. Texas chili. Here we go. This is to you, Pete. Yeah, that's great. Perfecto. Happy New Year. To the Little River Band and authentic Texas chili made on the north side. Cheers. Happy New Year. The most base element of them all is bacon. Render down the bacon until it gets just starts getting crispy. Render on, baby, render on. Perfect. I'm actually going to throw the chorizo in first. Give that a go. That's my homemade Mexican chorizo. Into the bacon fat she goes. This won't take long. That will add some flavor to the beef. Oh, lots of bit of some onion in there. Lots of salt on this beef, a bit of black pepper. Pinch more salt and pepper. Okay, I think the final stir here. There's a lot of liquid in there. I've got it on high. I thought it would brown better, but I don't want it to cook through, so I'm taking that out. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Look at that. And then I'm going to blend some veggies together. keep some out to blend. Some jalapeno, an Anaheim, and the rest of the stuff is just going to go into the blender. Oh yeah. Probably add some olive oil to this. Oh yeah, that's nice. Very nice. And in the meantime, I'm going to get the blender ready. The silver bullet. That's been filled with the remaining raw vegetables. And now it goes into the silver bullet. This thing's been a little stubborn as of late. Let's see how this works. There we go. We've got a puree. Keep it a little coarse. Perfect. Alright, now we're going to mix the puree with the regular veggies here. The sauteed. Give that a stir. Oh yeah. Very nice. Alrighto. Time to add the meat stuff. We'll start with the chorizo. Boo, we're adding the meat. Here comes Boo. Inspector, for the food on the floor inspector. That's without a doubt. I'll throw the bacon in there. There goes the red meat. The heavy duty stuff right here. There we go. Give that a big stir. And then I'll add the broth. This is it, folks. Texas chili. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, I'm going to throw those ends of the jalapeno in there. But this is it. And I'll add salt as it goes. God, look how dark that is. That's just incredible. Wow. So we'll let this go uncovered for a bit. Reduce at a pinch and then put the lid on. We're going to let this simmer for 2 hours and serve after 2 hours. And I will season to adjust the flavors as it goes on here. Utterly fantastic. Can't describe the flavors, but it really works. Even the dog thinks so.
Well, I'm going to have to swallow a beer when I go downstairs for sure.